Hello everyone, welcome to HardReset channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily perform a forced restart or so-called soft reset on your OPPO Find X7. So first, make sure you hold the volume up and power button simultaneously for about 10 to 12 seconds. Now keep holding it until the screen goes black and you feel a vibration. As you can see, our phone is restarting now. As you can see, our phone is now restarted. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.